already beaten egg. Now in the other bowl, so we are having two bowls. In this bowl, some water. In this, some pepper. For 4 eggs. Okay. Now close it. Add some more. Okay. Then salt. And this much salt. Okay. Now turmeric. First keep this lid on and take the turmeric. Spoon is down. This much turmeric. Close the lid. Now stir it. Okay. Now in this one, keep the egg and stir it again. Now again one more egg. And now keep all together in the bowl. And now mix them all together. So first, in a hot pan, keep some oil. And pour the mixture into the hot oil. And now take the fork and spread it a little. And keep a lid. So this is it. After some time, take one tool for stirring. So after that you can eat your omelette. After some time I'll come back when it's done. Look. I wanna eat it. So take an adult's help and tell her to flip in the cap and again to the pan. Okay. Okay, now bye. Again, I'll tell you many things and recipes. Okay guys, bye.